Hey everyone, it's that time of the month again for a Cloth and Paper subscription box unboxing. So I'm going to open it up live with all of you. So I do kind of apologize in advance for all the crinkling sounds. I know sometimes it can be a little heightened on camera, but we'll do our best to make it as quiet as possible. Now, I'm super excited for this month's theme because it has to do with wellness. Now, wellness, if you haven't necessarily kind of picked up on the other videos I have, wellness is so extremely important to me. It's something that I try to achieve within my goals every year, and self-care, and you name it. So I'll go through what's inside. Now, full disclosure, I do get a couple different sizes of subscription boxes because I don't know, it's just, this is what I enjoy. I figured if I'm going to splurge on something, planner supplies is probably pretty mundane of things to splurge on. Plus, you never know what you're going to get in the subscription box. So is it going to fit in a habit tracker better than my goals planner or a finance planner? I mean, I have a bunch of different sizes for a bunch of different reasons. So I figured, you know what? I'll get a bunch of different sizes, see which ones I'm utilizing more, see which ones make the most sense month over month, and then maybe wean down from there. I guess we'll start here with the wellness sticker set. I like these because they fit in the pocket size really well, or the habit tracker. They're super itty bitty. It looks like you have running, weights, a Peloton type bike or biking. I'm assuming that's a yoga mat, bicycle, doctor's appointment, medication or vitamins, sleep. I'm not sure what this would be. I guess maybe did you get your heart rate up? Maybe you checked your blood pressure. Maybe you have like a heart condition and you took your medicine. Whatever that may be. Maybe you went on a date and your heart's fluttering. I don't know. You could make it whatever you want. And then water. Did you take some water? And then I guess sometimes what they do, they put additional like layers behind pages so it doesn't look all, clumped together. So you also get, so the 70 icon we just showed you, 24 texts. So the text: rise early, go outside, hydrate, relax, and then 60 drop stickers, which would be these that are really nice to highlight a day, a month, or to highlight kind of behind a term. Maybe you have script stickers that you want to highlight, or Amanda Lee Plans has used these drop stickers in kind of phenomenal ways to highlight and make things look aesthetic. And I don't recall who she got that inspiration from, but you do get quite a bit in there. So that was a long explanation of baby icons. I love that we actually get a divider in this month's subscription. This is just an overview tab. If we can see there, it's in white font, which I'm super excited about because I bought most of my dividers in white font this year. And this will probably go in my goals planner, which I can't wait to put in. This is an A5 size. I haven't said that yet. So this is A5. So we get this overview divider. I love this statement. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. Anais Nin. And I love it. I didn't realize at first it was a window cling. I don't know that I would put it on a window. Maybe on a mirror. More than likely what I'm going to do is just keep it in my planner on the backing. as if it was like just a regular planner card, because I really, really love this. Doing some things that take a lot of courage, so it would be nice to see this. I love this. And then you have some half sticky notes, which you can put in a planner. I have a habit tracker for things like this, so this isn't as useful for me. I might try like screen time, because I want to stop using like my phone and screens before bed. But it's stretch, hydrate, and screen time. Now, stretching, I should do. I should be a lot better at it. I was a dancer my entire life, technically trained in everything. I was super flexible, but now I'm not as much anymore. I'd like to stretch and get back to it, but the half sticky notes are kind of neat. This also I love. The subscription box this month was totally on point. So I love the week overview. So you can put the dates here. You have, and then you either have a tracker, or maybe it's appointments here and to-dos here, vice versa. Maybe it's a sleep. Maybe it's sleep. Maybe you can build it into a habit tracker. So like your day, you can put hours up here and then track, kind of like I do in my habit tracker. Symptoms, supplements. You can make it it is what you want to make of it. But I really love having something like this on my desk. I think it's really helpful. This is great. This is another dashboard. Wellness, mental and physical. So super happy about that. Again, you could probably see why I'm so excited here, but this is my goals planner, and I have a wellness section. So I might be able to use some of these inserts in here, because right now this is just a 5-year plan. But maybe I'll figure out how to use it, take all the wellness and put it in this Cloth and Paper A5 section for wellness. So that's dashboard. Here's another dashboard, just as a description phrase of what well-being is. It's just repeated, so it's not a huge paragraph. It's just combination of our love for what we do each day and the quality of our relationships, security of our finances, vibrancy of our physical health, and pride we take in what we contribute to our communities. So really, and I love it, because wellness really is about all of that. This little itty bitty snap closure pocket is kind of like, I don't know, you can make it what you want. Cards, notes, receipts, pens. You can, I don't know. If you have ideas for what you would use it for, let me know. But I'm not sure how or if I will use it, just because it might seem a little clunky, but it is kind of brilliant, the design. And then lastly, these are the inserts that come with it. So if you're maybe looking for this, you're not subscribed to the subscription box is the daily wellness bundle. So I haven't counted the days. Apologies for that noise. But I imagine it would be 365 days. Otherwise, why would they call it the daily wellness bundle? But if we look at it, it's all the same. So I'll just show you really quickly what one of those pages looks like. And then that'll be a wrap, folks. So here, there's a lot on this one page, so it's almost suitable for a habit tracker. But you can set a goal for the day. How many hours did you sleep? What was your mood? What was your water intake? And this is where maybe you can take those stickers and kind of fill them out as you do it, if that kind of makes you zen to do that. Steps, if you're tracking steps, affirmations, notes, activity, and time. Now, not sure if maybe what was your activity you did that day and how long did you do it. Maybe it's exercise related, maybe not. And then nutrition, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And then today was amazing, good, okay. So this is great. There's a lot on here to track wellness. It isn't broken up by month, so it's just a consistent daily run of it. There's a lot of information there. It's great I think it's great if you're just getting started. And I'm a very large proponent of just track and see where you are now. And then over time, when you can look at patterns, maybe it helps you craft what you want to track, what you don't want to, how to track it differently, what do you need to do more of. And then this is just a wellness log. So I'm not sure what you could put here because it seems like they're super tiny. I would imagine it's for those icons that fit up here, and then you can track, I haven't counted, but I don't know if this is maybe, is it double-sided and is it weeks? I don't know. But yeah, those icons seem to like fit right in that circle, and then you can track that way. So yeah, about the same side. And so then I would imagine it's just a check mark if you did it or didn't. It looks to me right off the bat that this is almost enough days to get you started in a habit. So that's kind of neat. But other than that, it's a lot to track. For me, a daily like this, I track at a habit level. So that's a lot to track on such large pages. But I really, really love it. Really, really love it if you're just getting started. But like, I track it at this level for the month because I like seeing the patterns. That day like that could be, maybe some of you might find it overwhelming that you have just days and it's a lot to track in a day. But I think overall, if you're new or trying to get started or trying to get into building a habit, that it's perfect. So that is the wellness theme. And you know what? I really like a wellness theme coming out around April because it's that time of year where maybe you started your goals and you realize, okay, this first quarter wiped me out. I mean, I know I kind of feel like that. So I'll do another goals set up for the next quarter. Also why I have my little take a break here as like a little reminder for everyone to take a break. It's really hard to do a lot of the times. But that overall is the wellness unboxing for the subscription box. And if you stuck around for the whole thing, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you feel like this was helpful or if you enjoyed watching that. And stick around for some other videos that I'll be posting. And I certainly appreciate your time. You know, our time is our greatest commodity because we don't get more of it. So thank you for sharing your time with me. I appreciate it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.